Hi, I'm Bill, shop manager, Mattis Auto Works, Texas, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Interstar PowerPedal on your Ford F-150. Okay, no tools needed except for maybe a flashlight. The lock section is going to go on top of the pedal. The harness that you take off the top of the pedal is going to go into this side. Okay, you're going to reach for the top of the pedal, and you're going to slide the red lock up, and then you're going to push the tab right underneath it. This right here is where you're going to slip this up, and then you're going to push right here to release it. And put this in on the stock harness, just like so. Click, lock. Okay, now you're going to take the other end with the lock, and you're going to put it on the top of the gas pedal. Just like that. Click, lock. Now to adjust the Interstar, you're going to need to download an app on your phone or your smartwatch. Once you have your Interstar app downloaded, what you're going to do is turn the truck into accessory mode. So go ahead and turn it on. Make sure all your lights up. All right, to connect to the pedal, you're going to push this up here. There you go. These are all your settings. Okay, you can turn it off. Dynamic, sport, race. That is how you install the Interstar PowerPedal in your Ford F-150. Any questions, please give us a call or email.